Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how you can delete a profile on HBO Max on phone. So first, you just have to open the HBO Max application in your mobile device. So currently, I'm using my iOS. After that, log into your HBO Max account. Okay, and then you have this profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. So simply tap on this one. That's right. And then here you have all of the profiles. So tap on the manage profiles. Okay, so for example, I would like to remove this profile. So simply tap on the pencil icon. Okay, and then you just have to scroll down all the way to the bottom. And you'd be able to see here now the delete profile option. So you just have to simply tap on it and then tap on delete profile. So after that, that specific profile will now be removed or deleted from your HBO Max account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.